Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below. And today, I'm going to be doing a Rampage for mental health. Your mental health is amazing. You are at peace. You are free. You are mentally free. You feel so happy. You feel so rejuvenated. It is getting better and better for you every day. It is getting easier and easier every day. You love your life. You love living. You love being here. You are so grateful to be here. I am so grateful that you are here. You deserve peace. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of mental freedom. You are worthy of mental clarity. You are worthy of being happy. And you are worthy of existing peacefully. You are worthy of existing in the best reality possible. You are living in your most abundant timeline. You are always moving towards your most abundant timeline. You are so happy. You always see the good things in life. You always find the brighter side of things. You are such an optimist. You receive the best that this life has to offer. You are mentally well. You are physically well. You are emotionally well. Your emotions are in check. Your mental is in check. You have such a good support system. You have such a good community. You have people who love and cherish and adore you. You feel loved. You feel wanted. You feel cherished. You feel adored. You feel heard. You feel understood. You feel loved because you are loved. You are heard. You are adored. You are cherished. You are understood. You are one of one. There are so many people in this world who love and care about you so much. I'm one of them. You are always succeeding. You are always proving all the haters wrong. You are always reaching every single milestone. You are growing so well, so rapidly. You love seeing yourself grow. You love excelling. You excel at everything you do. Your mental health is excelling. You are living in absolute bliss and freedom and prosperity and happiness, and you deserve to feel so good in your skin. You love the person you see when you look in the mirror. You love the reality that you see around you. Your reality is conforming in your favor because you are the most in control. You are the most high. You are the best. You are the operative power. You are the main character. You deserve a life of fulfillment, and you deserve every single last thing that you want. You can have every single last thing that you want. You are present. You are here. You never have issues living in this moment because you are grateful for every single moment of your life. Life just keeps getting better and better for you. Every single day, your life gets better and better and better and better. It is only going up. It is only going up from here. Your mental health is only going up. Your physical health is only going up. Your emotional health is going up. All of your health, you are healthy. You are well. You are mentally well. You are mentally healthy. You are never struggling. You don't know struggle. All you know is peace, abundance, fast, speed, fast results, fast success. Everything about your life is leveling up. Your life is completely changing right now. It is doing a complete 180, and it won't stop. Your success, your mental health, it is just like layers and layers and layers and layers. Once you peel back each layer, it just gets better. Your whole life is just getting better. Your mental health is getting better. You are feeling better. You are looking better. You are smelling better. You are tasting better. You are better in every which way, and you feel better mentally. You feel so amazing. You deserve to feel this good mentally. You deserve good mental health. You deserve to be free. You deserve to be at peace. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to wake up every day feeling like you're living in a dream. And that's exactly what you're doing. That's exactly how you feel. That's exactly what you're doing. That's exactly who you are. You know your worth and value. You bring so much value to this earth. You are the most valuable creation that has ever existed at any point in time. You are such a prize to this earth. You are a prize to everybody you come in contact with. You are a prize to anybody you've ever met. Never forget your worth and value. You know your worth and value. You are confident. You are strong. You are secure. You are better than the person you were yesterday. Every single day, you become a better and better version of yourself. You are doing amazing. You are exactly where you're meant to be. You're moving exactly at the speed you want to be moving at. You're creating the exact results that you want to create. And I am so proud of you. Congratulations. Your mental health is clean. It is cleared. You feel clear. You're filled with clarity. You're filled with peace. You're filled with love. You are exactly who you're meant to be, and you feel great. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Specifically sending so much love to people who are not struggling, but healing their mental health, period. You're not a victim. You are a survivor, if anything, but you are on top. You are in control of your entire reality. I'm so proud of you. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.